Hey knowledge lovers! Today we are doing a deep dive review of the Introduction to Programming with Python and Java Specialization on Coursera. This is a unique program from the University of Pennsylvania designed to give you a competitive edge by mastering two of the world's most popular languages. And as always, the link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. What will you actually learn? This 4-course specialization is designed to take you from minimal programming exposure to writing fully functional programs in 2 languages. It's an accelerated ramp-up. First, you'll dive into Python. You won't just learn the core concepts and how to set up your tools. The program quickly moves into the practical stuff, teaching you how to use data structures effectively and, most importantly, applying those skills to core data science techniques. You'll learn how to use data analysis libraries and even develop data visualization skills to make sense of large data sets. Then, just as you're getting comfortable, the program switches gears to Java. This is where you'll master the fundamental principles of object-oriented programming, or OOP, a concept that powers almost all modern software. You'll write programs using classes and methods, perform unit testing, a critical skill for professionals, and understand advanced concepts like inheritance and how to parse text from files. By the end, you won't just know Python and Java. You'll understand how to think computationally and how to apply the right language to the right problem. Remember, if you're interested in the course, you'll find the link in the video description. Who is this specialization really for? This is the most important part. The course description is very clear. This is for students and professionals with minimal or no prior programming exposure, but who are motivated learners who have experience with rigorous coursework. This isn't a casual, learn to code in an afternoon course. It's an accelerated program from UPenn. It's also explicitly designed for people who might be considering applying to the University of Pennsylvania's online Master of Computer and Information Technology degree. This specialization acts as a sampler of the actual content from that master program. This is an incredible opportunity to see if you're ready for Ivy League graduate level work before you apply. My honest opinion. So, is this specialization worth it? Absolutely, for the right person. If you are a highly motivated beginner and you want to build an incredibly strong dual language foundation, this is one of the best programs available. The fact that it's from the University of Pennsylvania and serves as a preview for their MCIT Master program tells you the quality is top tier. You're learning both the data-focused language, Python, and the structure-focused language, Java, in one go. Now for the best part. This course is available without a one-time payment. The smartest way to access it is by subscribing to Coursera Plus. With this subscription, you not only get this specialization, but you also unlock access to over 7,000 courses across the platform, all for a single monthly or annual fee. The link to the best price is in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.